So in this video we need to calculate 20% square of x. What is percent? If we have something percent, suppose we have t percent, then we can write it as t by 100. Okay. So if we need to calculate 20% square of x, we should know what is 20% square. So what is 20% square? Okay. So we can write it as 20 upon 100 square. Okay. So this we can write it as 4 upon 100. Is it okay? 4 upon 100. I did not solve this. 1 upon 5. Why? Because we need 100. Okay. We need 100 in denominator so that we can write it as 4%, because t upon 100 is t percent. So 4 upon 100 is 4%. So if we need to calculate 20% square of x, we can just calculate 4% of x. Okay. So I hope you liked it. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel.